As it turns out, the video stopped towards the middle. But so I just put WD-40 on everything, right? And okay, so I fixed it. I'm just gonna remount it real quick so that looks all nice and fine and dandy. I can just show my mom and be like, "Hey, cool, Ma, look what I did." There we go. Oh shoot. I'll just install it locked. It'll be fine. It'll be fine, Okay. I'm gonna put this down real quick. Yeah. I'm just gonna pause it and jump cut real quick. Alright, so wow. Oy. Honestly, it's satisfying as heck. Alright, so I can use my keys now. Let me take my key out the key ring real quick. Okay. So, it's unlocked right now. That was locked, but... Okay, so, top lock at this point can stick occasionally. So what I'm just going to do the easy thing of that. Just take, boop, 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 boop. Take this. Boop. Cool. Yep, I just fixed our door. Yay. Anyways, thanks for watching. Yeah, wow. Like, does it really quickly. Alright, cool. Well, I'm gonna show my parents that later, I guess. Anyways, hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching my not so fast tutorial or experience or whatever the hell this is gonna be labeled as. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.